Hey everyone, and welcome back to Medidate, the super easy studio management software. In this video, we're going to talk about onboarding the students into the studio. So basically, at this stage, your studio should be fully configured. You've created your schedule. The configuration of your studio is configured the way the studio works. Also, please go through the configuration of the classes. Take a look, check that everything is configured in the class as it should be. Also go to plans and memberships, take a look at the configuration of the tickets of your memberships, make sure it's all correct. 5 entries ticket, the number of entries, the expiration period, make sure the prices are correct. Also in the monthly memberships, make sure the monthly price here is a monthly price and not the total price of a duration of a membership. So let's say it's $100 a month and this is a 3-month membership, it should say $100 and not $300. So that's important to notice. So if you went through all these configurations, you're ready to onboard the students. When I say onboarding, I mean adding the current status of your studio to be reflected in the Medidate platform, meaning all your students are inside and their current status, if there is a current status of their plans, tickets, or memberships, need to be configured for them too. That's what I mean when I say onboarding. That means bringing all the students inside your studio and their current status inside the studio. So in order to do this onboarding and get all your students inside the studio, there are 2 main ways. The first way is using the sign up link for students in your profile page in the profile details. This is a link that you can copy just by pressing this and sending it out through a messaging app that you use to contact all your students and tell them, hey everyone, here's a sign up link to the studio and please use this link and start signing up. Now I would use this case if the studio is starting from 0 and nobody has a current status with a ticket or a plan or a membership. This would be the best case, to just send out this link. This link will forward them to a sign up form where they enter their first name, last name, email, password, and they sign up into the Medidate platform. They receive an email to download the app with their credentials, username and password that they created, and they can enter the app and start signing into your classes. So this would be the case if you're starting from scratch, no one has a current status. I would go with this. This would be the easiest way. The second way is if there is a current status and your students do have plans, tickets, and memberships, and they have some sort of expiration date to their plans and tickets, they've already used some of the entries that the ticket offers, I would use this option, which is import students, which is a spreadsheet, which you download by pressing this button over here. You press this, and then you have the demo spreadsheet that you'll use, which looks like this. So this is a spreadsheet. This is an example of how you enter a few students. First name, last name, email, and phone number. So you basically erase everything from here, and you enter their first name, Jane, Doe, and if there's a phone number, you can enter a phone number. So for this example, we'll just insert 2 students inside the spreadsheet, but it could be as much as you need. Let's save it. So now all we need to do is take this spreadsheet and drag it into the box, and that will send invitations to the students and add them to the studio. So I'll show you how it's done. So this is our spreadsheet that we've configured, and now all we need to do is basically drag this into the green box. Great. Now it says 2 students imported successfully. Now I can find Jane Doe. And if she has a current status for a ticket, I'll add that plan. So let's say she already has 5 entries ticket for 3 months. I'll open this plan that she already has. And let's say in the current status of the studio, she already used 2 of the entries. So this is a good example of when to manually punch a ticket. So I've manually punched 2 entries for this ticket. Let's say her expiration date is actually not February, but January 30th or December 30th. I'll just say that it's paid in cash if that's the case, and I'll close it. And I finished with Jane Doe. Now I'll go to Donnie, same story. Actually, Donnie has a 3-month membership, so I'll open that for him and I'll fix the current expiration date. I'll mark this as fully paid in, let's say, in a one-time transfer, and that's it. And in this case, I just go student that I've imported into the studio, and I'm basically bringing them to the current status inside the studio, inside the Medidate platform, and they can start signing into classes. Okay, so thank you for watching.